There's Lenny eating worms. If I can get him to come out in the sun a little bit. That's his third worm. There he is. He likes them mealworms. Kind of funny how he got his legs folded back while he's eating. Good old Lenny. We're gonna see how many he eat. Probably liking them because they just come out of the refrigerator. That was weird. Backtrack. He likes them mealworms. I don't know why he keeps wanting to run back though. I think that might be making him nervous because he seen me go in and get the worms, come back out. Ain't short work of that one. There he is. Got that one. And a bad bounce on that one. Trying to play shy. Trying to get that second hand sun through the chair. He likes the shadows too. There's like 5, 6 worms. Got 2 laying right there. Get him to come over and see him. That might be it. Got one more worm to draw him. Sorry, it's kind of hard to hold the camera in to drop worms. You know, eat that one quick. That's a small one. Cool how he flexes his back like that to make his worm go down. I'm gonna try to get them other worms. It'll probably freak him out though. He sees them. I don't know if he's gonna come get them or not. Yep, there he goes. I like them damn worms. Pardon my French there. I can hold this thing steady. He might go get that one. He might be full. Get that one out a bit tricky. Pretty cool though. I think he's about 3, 4 years old. Yep, there you go. Good old Lenny. Another one right there. I don't know if you'll see that one. He's angry eating that worm. Get in there. I think he might be getting a little used to me. I was feeding him the other day up on the rail up there, throwing him at him, hitting him with him. He didn't run off. I don't know if he's gonna see that one. He might now. Oh, spook him. Yeah, I think he's had enough today. Bye, Lenny. I'll see you tomorrow, buddy. Have a good one.